What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to modify this orange Miata for Miata at the Gap. If you remember from the last video from last year, I built this car in 30 days, got it painted, redid the bay, shaved it, fixed the rust and all the good stuff, all in 30 days for Miata at the Gap. This year, we're going to up the challenge. We got roughly 1 week. Today is Thursday. Miata at the Gap is Friday next week. So we got to install ITBs, get it tuned, make sure everything is right. And lastly, we got a special sponsor by Archaic lighting, and they're gonna add a livery for the car and get it ready for Miata at the Gaps. And there's a few things I have to do before we can add the livery. The first thing is actually to remove the side skirt from the bottom and also the fender flare, so the sticker will lay on, the vinyl will lay on much better and smoother, and as well as this fender flare on the back here is lay on as much as smoother. I might have to remove the door handle as well and maybe the mirror. So all that is going to come out, and then coming to the back right here, I might have to remove the light as well. As you can see, this is the new Archaic lighting, and what's special for this year is that they came out with the version for the ND. Okay, while we're waiting for the design to be completed, here's my ITB setup that I will installing. Hopefully everything goes smoothly. If not, I'm gonna put everything back to stock and just to get the car there. But it looks like I'm just waiting for a few more parts to get this ready to be installed. Of course, you got Mega Squirt, the ITB system, some bigger injector, spark plugs, wideband, and I'm going to use the idle air control to smooth out the idle a little bit more. This came off a Skunk 2 system. And then, you know, O-rings, air temperature sensor, some shifter stuff, air freshener, and somebody gave me this shifter boot. And before I remove the manifold to install the ITBs, I just want to make sure everything arrives on time before I take it apart. So I'm missing a few things. I'm missing the vacuum block, the catch can, and a few other little bits and pieces, fittings and stuff like that. So if it's a delay and those things wouldn't arrive on time, I'm just going to keep the stock manifold and just put a Mega Squirt and get it down there. All right, it's been a couple of days now, and we're prepping for the last 2-3 days for Miata at the Gap. We got Justin here. It's the chef. What are we cooking? What are we cooking, Justin?
Cooking up some burgers. Nice. Doggies we're gonna do next.
Burgers and doggies. All right, so here's Carl, and he's the artist putting everything here together. So what we have here, Carl?
We got some reflective vinyl.
Okay.
It reflects when light hits it. The more powerful the light, the more powerful the reflection. When it's driving down the highway, it's gonna look sick when the lights hit it.
Yeah. So that's kind of like on the road sign, right?
Yeah, this is the road. This is reflective on like the
sign,
deer crossing sign.
Yeah. Yep. And now it's going on.
Yep.
With it was raining a lot, but yeah. And the outside has a kind of like a outline out, and then a drop shadow as well, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. We put client requested for a drop shadow.
Mm-hmm. So Carr is still working on the wrap, and it's been a few days. We're almost finished with the wrap, but Chris is coming to the garage as well. So I wanted to surprise him with something special. And as you can see, the box is right here. And I'm gonna show you guys in a second what's in the box. Yo.
Yo, what's up?
What are you doing?
Some last minute Miatas at the Gap prep.
All right, guess what?
What?
I got a surprise for you. It's a very good one. All right, give me a sec.
Dude, that's a big box.
Yeah, look what I got here. I'm gonna put it on your wang for a second. What do you think it is?
I'm not sure.
All right, open it up.
All right, let's get this box open.
Take a guess. What is it? Ooh, there's a lid.
It's crazy.
Wait,
Archaic JDM series, ND1, 2, and 3 taillights.
There you go. That's a little gift for you. You're
Built
gonna-
with passion, delivered with purpose.
Nice. I like the box, and you're gonna replace your stock OEM one with some fancy dancy new lights from Archaic.
Yeah, with all the mods that I did to this, I need a little bit more street cred.
Yeah, it's gonna look fantastic on your car because you did a lot of work on it. And let's open up. I never seen it, so this is the first time for me too. So I'm excited to see these tail light.
Installation guide.
Yep.
Some foam.
Some foam.
I got some more foam inserts.
And that's the tail light.
Taillights.
There you go. See how it's smoke. Wow. Let's compare that to the stock. Yeah, you got a smoke tail light. It fits perfectly with your car because your car got that trim, right? It's kind of like a black and
Like a Panda look.
yeah,
It's black and white.
Black and white. So that kind of goes with it. Nice and smoke feature. And yeah, let's install and see how it looks. What's in that box?
An accessories box.
Okay, what's that? I don't even know what that is. Okay, so it's like what?
Some wiring adapters.
Fog light harness. Ooh, even got. Hey, look at that! I'm keeping that. I'm keeping this. So harness, a resistor. Ooh, look, 10 mil.
That's worth it within itself.
Look at that. What light that you buy that comes with a 10 mil and a Phillip and also a screwdriver for that? Not many, right?
Not many.
All right,
It's pretty fancy.
Yeah, it's pretty fancy. The box, you know, like the first impression is really nice. Startup animation, running light. All right, brake. Hazard. Reverse. All right, now car's putting the final touch. Is the front windshield logo. And this is how the car looked from the side. What do you think, car? What do you think? Oh, he got a thing in his mouth, but it's all good. Look, car looks fantastic. The numbers in the side right here. If you know, 23, Michael Jordan. Unfortunately, I didn't do the engine modification just because of short of time. So it'll be a stock engine when I get over there.
Hyper Speed Media